Okay, here we are Monday, November 12th. We're here to try to remove the yellow staining that has occurred on these granite blocks. There's about 70 of them in total. I've already tried the bleach solution, bleach and detergent, which I normally clean stone with, and it hasn't worked. So we're going to now do a test sample area on the side here and do this muriatic acid. You know, if you're careful, use the proper procedures, safety glasses, gloves, whatnot. Don't want to spray too much. We've got the muriatic acid. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix that up and we're going to put it on and see what happens. Be back shortly. Okay, we've used muriatic acid and it came out spectacular. You can see all that yellow stain is taken away. At least, well, I don't know, 95% of it. Looks great. See how nice it came out. After I was done with the application of the muriatic acid, I soap sprayed and rinsed everything, not only just to clean up, but to take off any particles, whatnot. But yeah, it came out great. I'm very pleased with this. Muriatic acid, it's a bitch. You gotta, be careful with it. But other than that, it does do a nice job. You'll see all in here. All the yellow spots taken out. And then we cleaned and rinsed everything nicely. I did all the driveway too.